Hello, welcome again. We have a bit of wind here today and also the pond is melting rapidly. And the next bigger project is these 3 stumps over here, and I currently have the white bucket on the excavator, so let's change that to the smaller one and let's see what happens. Those are the bolts, and then we should get the hoses off. And let's close this valve here and close this side. Nice. This one. Nice. Easier than expected. Well, better than nothing. Nice. Oh, that is a winner feeling. At least good thing that there has been enough grease here, so nice. Okay, that was easier than I remembered. So let's see if the ground is too frozen or can we do something? I think it probably is, and we'll just take some of the top off so it melts better. So bear with me, there's lots of wind, but I'll put some music to you and maybe that's gonna be good. Yeah. Okay, that was interesting. On the other hand, the ground is still frozen on some parts. For example here, there's frozen clay, rocks and roots here. But when it's frozen, you can get much more leverage. And I was able to make quite big roots, which usually doesn't work with this kind of small excavator. So I think I will get warm jacket and will continue from that. Yeah. so on. So, well, I'll put you away now and you can see the result from today. Okay, it's more than 6 o'clock and sun is behind the clouds now. So this is my situation at the moment. We have big chunks of frozen clay and other stuff here, but it helps nicely because now I can also break the roots with the excavator. So, and I don't sink immediately to the mud because it's still frozen, which is nice, but not long. Yeah, but I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in this time. See you on the next one.